Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to highlight a specific dimension that is selected in your filter or in your parameter, which I'll be demonstrating in Tableau and in Power BI. So, uh, let me show you what I am talking about. This is social media marketing dashboard, which has four platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. So this bar charts here at the top shows the four platform, and the highlighted one show what is selected here. So, and it helps in comparison what is the selected platform, where it is in each of these metrics. So this is how it works. If you select Instagram, Instagram will be what will be selected, and you can see its position in terms of each KPI. If Facebook is selected, you're going to see where Facebook is in terms of position. So this is how it works in Power BI, and this is the same thing in Tableau also. This is the same thing in Tableau. Let's select a platform, which is Facebook. Yeah, it shows where it is. Let's select another platform, and in Instagram, it shows where it is. So, yeah, so in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how it works in both two, how to achieve this same interactivity in both two. So now let's go into Tableau first. Okay, this is my Tableau page. I have campaigns, I have the platform, and I have click, conversion, engagement, impression. So now let's show platform by impression. So which will give us what? It gives us a bar chart, right? So let me just take it to the entire view, and I want to have a selection that is, if I select a platform, others should be assigned gray and the selected platform should be blue. So to do that, let's create a parameter in Tableau. To do that, just click on the platform, create parameter. So I have something like this. Let me just edit this one. Let me just do like this. I love using something like this. Let's just do like, let me create another. Let me create like this. Create, yeah. So there's it, parameter platform. This is what we have, and press OK. So now, to make sure what is selected is colored, you have to create a calculated field, which is selected platform. So which is our platform. When our platform is equals to our platform parameter, that should be true. If not, that should be false. So now let's press OK. So now let's bring this to color. We're going to have true and false, and this time we can easily assign the color to each to true or false. So like, let's click on true and let's assign the color. I want this, and for false I want what? I want something like this. Let's choose F2, 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 something like this. So now we have created the parameter. We have used the parameter in the calculated field, and let's show the parameter and let's see how it works. Yep, that is just it. You can bring it onto the dashboard page. Just open your sheet here, and let's see how it works here. So the selected platform is what is highlighted, while others is grey. So that's how to do it in Tableau. So now let's switch to Power BI. How can we achieve this too in Power BI? So let's open our Power BI. Let's open our Power BI. Okay, our Power BI is opening. So let's do the same thing in Power BI. So let's bring in our data. The data is a CSV file, and I have it here. Yeah, this is the data. Let me just open it. Yep, so this is it. Load it. It's loading. Yep, so this is it. This is the dash. This is the data. Let's just name this table name. Let's name it what? Social media data. Right? Let's just name it. So now the same thing. Let's create the bar chart. Let's get the bar chart which shows what? Platform by impression. Yeah, so this is it. So we want to do the highlights, right? So to do that, we have to create a table. So let's just name this platform. So make sure the name is the same thing. Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and what? Facebook. So that's it. Let me just name it as platform like that. Now press OK, and let's load it. So we have our table here. This is it, which is this, right? So let's just remove it. And make sure this table is not connected to this table. To do that, just go to your model view and delete any relationship, because if there's relationship, it will be filtering rather than highlighting. So delete the relationship, come back to the view, and let's write a calculated field, that is a calculated measure. So now let's do that. Let's create a measure and let's name it what? Highlighted platform. So we are going to create some variables. The first one will be the selected platform from the platform table that we just created. That will be, let's name it selected platform. So that will be values. We have values. Use values function of you should bring out the values of our platform table. Yeah, platform table. So which is this? So the second one is we have to bring the platform from the social media table also. Let's create a variable for that. Platform highlights, something like that. Yeah, so that way equals to selected value. I'm going to use selected value here of our social media platform. That's it. And we're going to create another one, which is highlights. That is highlights. That way we are going to use is filter. So this one will help us to highlight is filter. Yep. So it's filter of our platform, because that's what we need. Okay. So now we're going to create a conditional statement. That is, if platform in our platform table is the same thing as platform in our social media table, you should give it this color. If not, you should give it this color. So let's create another variable, which is our results. Right? Let's do that. That will be switch. Let's use switch function. Let's use switch to. So let's write let's write it straight through. We want like not filtered. We are going to use this not highlight, which is this our parameter, not highlight. It should give us this color. I have a color code here. It should give us this. Okay, I have a color code here. Yep, that is. Yep. So now these are our else statements. If platform highlight is in selected platform and highlights, then it should give us this. Else it should give us another column, that is our gray. F1, and let's close the everything. So now we want it to return what? We want to return our what? Our results. Yep, that's it. And press OK. So now we are going to use these calculated measures in our column to calculate, to color our columns, which is here. Click on it, click on the function here, come to values, and let's select selected platform, which is this, and press OK. Yeah, so now because everything is selected, so now let's bring in our filter, which is this, and let's use our platform here in our social media. So this is it. So now we have to make sure our platform is single select and it is drop down. You want a drop down and want it to be single select. So coming remove. So let's use, we are going to use the filter here and the filter here. Let's use this one. So let's change our color. Coming, this is our column. Let's change our color, which is here. So the color is not really working. Let's check our calculation here. So I missed the hash button here, which is this. So let's press OK. Yep, so that's it. It works. So which is that. So let's just make sure this one is a drop down, and we want to single select. Yep. So that is it. That is how to achieve selection of highlighting your dimension in Tableau and in Power BI. So simple and straightforward. See you in my next tutorial. Thank you. If you love my content, kindly like, share, and subscribe.